Your Emeril Pasta Beyond can also work as a shredder and slicer. Let's review how to configure it properly to use it this way.
For the shredder-slicer configuration, you will need the basic unit housing and the following parts and accessories in dark gray with the letter S marked on them. The shredder housing, the pusher, the slicer blade, the shredder blade, and the large clear food collector. First, assemble the shredder housing onto the basic unit housing by turning it sideways and inserting the shaft into the basic unit housing and the tabs into the matching slots. Twist counterclockwise until the chute is straight upward. Now, select either the shredder blade or the slicer blade. For this demonstration, we will use the shredder blade first. Insert it all the way back into the shredder housing.
Make sure to insert the rotating gear tabs on the shredder housing through the slots on the shredder blade.
Using the tabs on the edge of the shredder blade to lock it onto the shredder housing. It is a small clockwise motion. If you do not lock in the shredder blade to the shredder housing, the blade will fall out when you start the unit.
Caution: do not grip the blades on the sharp areas. They are sharp and could cut you. Now, slide in the large clear collection tray and you are ready to shred. To shred, put your cheese, meat, or vegetables into the shaft.
Press the on button and press the forward button.
And use the pusher to feed it into the rotating shredder blade.
To slice, simply remove the slicer shredder housing from the basic unit housing by pushing the white button, twisting clockwise, and removing. Then remove the shredder blade from the slicer shredder housing. Replace that housing onto the basic unit housing and set the slicer blade into the housing the same way you did with the shredder blade.
Insert your cheese, meat, or vegetables into the chute. Press the forward button and feed your food into the slicer blade. It will collect in the large, clear collection tray. Caution: always let your blades come to a full stop before handling them, and do not grip on the sharp edges.
When you are done, to remove the shredder housing from the basic unit housing, press the white button on the basic unit housing and twist the shredder housing clockwise. Then remove it.
That's it. That's all you do. And now you know how to shred and slice with your Emeril Pasta Beyond.
For more information, tips, tricks, and delicious recipes, please watch our videos at emerilpastabeyondinfo.com.